Hey everyone. If you've been scrolling LinkedIn or opening news apps lately, you've probably seen the headlines. AI will replace 300 million jobs. Your career is doomed by 2030. Honestly, it's scary. But here's the truth most people miss. AI is not coming to take your job. In fact, the more AI advances, the more valuable the right humans become. Stick around. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why AI can't and won't fully replace most of us, and what you should actually be focusing on instead. Reason 1. Jobs are way more than tasks. First big reason. AI is amazing at tasks, but most real jobs are not just tasks. Think about your day. Yes, you might write emails, analyze spreadsheets, or create first drafts, things AI can help with or even do pretty well. But your actual job also includes reading the room during a tense meeting, deciding what's ethical when the data says one thing, but human impact says another, improvising when a client suddenly changes everything, building trust with someone who's skeptical. That's not prompt engineering. That's human judgment, emotional intelligence, and contextual understanding. Current AI, even the best models in 2025 to 2026, still hallucinates, lacks real accountability, and can't feel the nuance of human relationships. Experts from Wharton, MIT, and McKinsey all say the same thing. AI handles pieces of work, but humans are still required to make sense of it, oversee it, and take responsibility for the outcome. Reason 2. AI needs humans more than we need AI, for now. AI failing at real-world tasks. Human fixing AI output. AI is actually terrible at working alone. Every time companies try to let AI run wild, they discover it needs constant human babysitting. Wrong answers, biased outputs, missing context, security risks. Someone has to check, correct, and decide what's usable. McKinsey's own research shows that even though AI could technically touch 57% of work hours, turning that into real business value still depends on people redesigning processes, training models, handling exceptions, and making final calls. Bottom line, AI isn't replacing jobs, it's creating a new layer of work, people who manage, improve, and make AI actually useful. That's why roles like prompt engineers, AI ethicists, data trainers, and AI implementation specialists are exploding right now. Reason 3. Uniquely human superpowers, EPAW. And this is my favorite part. Humans still have superpowers. AI can't copy. Researchers call it the EPOC framework. 5 areas where people win every time. Empathy, comforting someone, negotiating with emotion, reading unspoken feelings. Physical dexterity in unpredictable settings. Think plumbers, nurses, electricians. Originality and creativity, inventing something truly new, not remixing existing stuff. Complex judgment, balancing ethics, risk, stakeholder needs, and gray areas. Hope, vision, leadership, inspiring teams, setting direction, giving people purpose. AI can fake some of these for a few seconds, but it can't live them. And jobs built around these human traits? They're not going anywhere. They're becoming more valuable in an AI world. Reason 4. History proves it, plus new jobs appear. Look at history. Every major tech wave, steam engines, electricity, computers, internet, killed some jobs and created way more new ones. The World Economic Forum and PwC data show the pattern repeating. Yes, some routine roles shrink, but overall employment grows because technology makes society richer, more demand, new kinds of work. In 2025-2026, we're already seeing it. AI trainers, change managers, human AI collaboration designers, creative strategists, these jobs didn't exist 5 years ago. So here's the real message. AI is not your enemy, it's your co-pilot. The people who will thrive aren't the ones trying to outcompute AI. They're the ones who learn to use AI while doubling down on the things only humans can do. Empathy, creativity, judgment, leadership. Your job isn't disappearing, it's evolving. If you want to stay ahead, experiment with AI tools every week. Build real human skills, communication, critical thinking, emotional intelligence. Stay curious and adaptable. That combination, almost impossible to automate. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if this eased your mind a bit, subscribe if you want more practical takes on AI and work, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you do at work that you think AI could never replace? See you in the next one.